Hey guys, Frugal Stu here. Want to fly your drone like this? Today I will show you how to register your drone in Taiwan with a tourist visa. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. The drone registration process for tourist visas is different than ARC or permanent residence. Again, this video is only for tourist visa holders. In 2020, the Taiwan CAA launched their drone registration program, but because of the pandemic, tourist visa holders have not been allowed to enter Taiwan since March 2020. I assume few foreigners have registered their drones with this program, but hopefully that will change soon with the opening of borders around the world. There are helpful links to the online registration and flying a drone in Taiwan below, but before we start the registration, I want to make a clarification. For those of you who are not aware of the political situation, China claims Taiwan as a breakaway province. However, their rules and laws do not necessarily translate. I only mention this not for political reasons, but because you will need separate drone registrations when flying in both China and Taiwan. It can be a bit confusing for foreigners traveling in Asia with all of the media surrounding this issue, but don't ever assume their laws or regulations translate. Now, let's start the registration process. First, go to the CAA website and create an account using your information. On the home page, click Foreigner Area tab and then the Sign In button. At this time, if you have not created an account, click here below, Sign Up. If the site switches to Mandarin, you can go to the top of the website bar on the right side to change it back to English, or the language of your choice. Second, you'll need your local phone number, passport, local address, and drone registration from your home country. This registration only applies to drones that are above the 250-gram weight limit. Once you sign into your account, on the left-hand side, you will see this Foreigner Zone tab. If you click this tab, it will show you several categories where you can start the application process. Once you complete your information, proceed to the next page. Please make sure to take the time to read all of the rules and regulations. Once you complete each step, check the box and move on to the next one. In this next section, you will continue to fill out more information such as when you arrive and leave, as well as what type of drone you will be flying. If you do not know how long you will be staying in Taiwan, you can enter a date for up to 6 months. This is the longest amount of time I was told the CAA would grant a tourist visa holder this drone registration. The CAA asks that you submit the drone registration from your home country. Here you can upload that document and fill in the registration certificate number for your drone provided by the original registration. If you do not have drone registration in your country, please contact the CAA directly before proceeding further. Lastly, I did not need a drone inspection form since I had the original registration, so just leave that area blank. At this time, you'll be at the end of completing the application where you'll need to pay. Click Payment. Probably the most confusing part of this registration is making your 250 Kwai payment. At the time of recording this, you could not make an online payment, so you have to print out your application payment request and take it to the nearest Bank of Taiwan branch. These are in every major city, so it shouldn't be a problem, but you can take it to the bank desk and make a cash payment. The bank clerk may look at you confused because this is probably not very common, but it comes with a barcode so they will scan it. After you make your payment, you will receive your drone registration via email. It only took me about 2 days to receive my drone registration once I made the payment. This registration will have all of your information, and please print this form and keep it with you at all times when flying your drone. If you are in need of a printer, most 7-Elevens have a printer in Taiwan. If someone ever questions you about flying your drone, you can show them this approval letter sent by the CAA. Taiwan is a beautiful place, so I hope that you will get to experience seeing it by drone. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave your comments below. I hope to continue to bring relevant content for the frugal-minded buyer and be a good steward of finances. Thanks for watching.